Hi folks, Phil here again with Phil's DIY with another short project on my RAV4 Prime. Today I'm replacing the switches, the window switches in all four doors with the lit variety. As you may know, the standard window switches, only the driver's window button is lit and you can't really see the button otherwise. So a lot of people have done this and posted things on the YouTube, so I thought I'd do the same. The switches I ordered from AliExpress, and it took only about 3 weeks to get to me. I'll put a link down below in the comment section if you're interested in trying this yourself. But it was very straightforward, unbelievably simple actually. So let's get to the video. So I received the lit switch kit for the door window switch assembly for both the driver's door and all three of the other doors. And it came all nicely wrapped in this bubble pack. And there's the driver's door kit. There we go. They have all these light features. Let's see about getting this replaced. It comes with 3 of these for the other doors, and harnesses. There's 3 of them, so I assume they're for the single switch assemblies. And it came with a pry tool to easily get the switch panels out. So let's get to it. Okay, here goes. There we go. So it pops out the ridges and then you have to pull it backwards because the front end of it has this hooking mechanism. So if you try to pull straight up on the front, it will break. And that's not good. So there are 2 harnesses, one for the mirror control and the other one is for the window controls. So we do need to take both of them out so that I can unscrew this assembly. And that requires this tab to be pushed down, and this, and let's see, and this tab, and then that pulls out. Done. Okay, so just remove 3 screws. And should be an exact fit. And so far it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good to me. Let's get the screws back in. And that's it. Ready to pop back in. Plugging the harnesses back in. One goes there, pops in. The other goes here, pops in. And slide in the front clip all the way. And then wiggle this in. Snap, snap. And we're done. Okay, last window. Plug in the adapter harness. Let's see, it goes this way. And then we plug in back into the switch panel, and we're done. Just pop this guy back in. Hook the front, go forward all the way. And we are done. The lit switch assembly is in. These are all lit buttons now. The lock, unlock, windows. This is the driver's side. And this is the driver's side rear passenger door. And that's it, folks. Very simple. The tricky part about getting these panels out is you start from the front curved edge here with the pry tool, and then slowly lift up along this edge, and then the whole thing you pull backwards to towards the rear of the door, and it lifts right out. Otherwise, it's very straightforward. The whole thing takes no more than maybe 10 minutes if you go slow. 10-15 minutes if you go really slow. Anyway, that's it for this short video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like what I'm doing, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next time. Bye.